Today, I'm taking on the challenge to see if I can save my iPhone battery life forever. Let's see if I can make it last longer than ever before. We all rely on our iPhones daily, and there's nothing more frustrating than your battery dying on you when you need it most. Whether you're navigating through a new city, trying to capture a once-in-a-lifetime moment, or simply scrolling through social media, a dead battery can really put a damper on your day. I know I've been there, and it's not fun. The constant need to find a charger or worry about running out of juice can be super stressful. It's not just about the inconvenience. It's also about the wear and tear on your device. Rapid battery drain can be a sign of underlying issues, and if not addressed, it might lead to more serious problems down the line. So what can we do to combat this? Well, first off, let's talk about some basic settings adjustments. Turning down your screen brightness or turning on low power mode can make a big difference. You can also manage your apps more effectively by closing the ones you're not using and limiting background app. Refresh for apps that don't need it. Another thing to consider is your usage habits. For example, turning off location services and Bluetooth when you don't need them can help conserve battery life. There are also some lesser-known features like optimizing your iPhone's battery charging, which can help prolong your battery's lifespan. But what if I told you there's a combination of tips that can lead to significant battery life improvements? One of the most effective methods is to use a combination of low power mode, limiting app background refresh, and turning off unnecessary features like location services. By making these simple changes, you can extend your battery life by hours. It's also essential to keep your iPhone software up to date, as new updates often include battery life improvements. Additionally, avoiding extreme temperatures and keeping your iPhone clean can also help maintain battery health. In conclusion, by implementing these simple tips and tricks, you can significantly extend your iPhone's battery life and say goodbye to those frustrating moments when your battery dies on you. So, if you've got any other tips for saving battery life, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let me know what works for you. Also, be sure to check out my other video on smartphone optimization for more tips on getting the most out of your device.